how to use Google Calendar. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Google Calendar, so please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So I guess we already know that Google has a lot of powerful tools that you're going to be able to use. If you don't know it yet, remember that in your Google Chrome, in the top right corner, you're going to find this square composed of different points, different dots. And there you have different tools. Not just the search is the most usual, maps, perhaps a Play Store, Gmail. Also, you have your business profile manager. You can create your calendar with it. You can create a shopping page with this, control your finances, and so on. Today we're going to explain how to use this powerful tool of Google Calendar, and specifically because all the info that you have in these different options, these different tools, are going to be linked directly with your Google Calendar. So this is the home page of the Google Calendar. You can go and look for it in this part and scroll down until you find a calendar. There it is. There it is, the calendar, or also you could just write calendar Google and there's gonna be the first option. So basically you have the entire month here, but here in the upper part we have the word week, so you could select it and see your calendar monthly or per year, or just the schedule appointments that you have, or for days. I don't know why is this option, but it could be useful perhaps. By now I'm going to go back to week, and here in the top, or almost top left corner, we have the option to create. There we're gonna be able to create events, to create tasks, an appointment schedule. This appointment schedule is a premium feature, and this is basically that you're going to allow some other people to control your schedule. So let's read. Simplify scheduling by letting others book appointments with you. That's it. So you can control your availability, reduce the hassle of scheduling, and so on. And these costs $9 per month, or you can pay like an annual payment yearly, and the month is not gonna be in $9 but just $7.50. Okay, not now, but by now I'm going to create an event. So this is the, I don't know, like the options that you're gonna be able to control. So the title of this is gonna be, I don't know, gardening. So the date, so I must do make this task on 11, and you can control the time too. But if you don't want to add a time on this, you can select all day and this is gonna appear on top. Okay, but if you select like a specific time, you can change it, and this is going to let you know how many time you're going to spend on this event. 5 hours, and automatically this is gonna be on this way. This does not repeat. This is just once, or perhaps this is gonna be repeated annually. So every year I'm going to make this on June 11. Okay, this could happen. I could add some guests, so I want to invite this person, so I'm going to invite it. And the guest's permission. So if I invite this person, I could select if this person is going to be able to modify the event, to invite other people. So if I don't want to, I have to uncheck this and see the guest list. So you have the power here. And if you select a modify event, so obviously that person is going to be able to invite and see the guest list. But by now I'm going to make it in this way, and I'm going to delete this. You can create a Google Meet option, like a video conference. So you just have to, this is a default option. So if you don't want it, you must remove it. And this is not going to be created, because by default, this is going to be created. I'm going to show you later how you can delete this option. So every time you create an event or a task, you don't have to click on this X. A location too, you can add it to, and a description or attachments. So you can upload some images, docs, whatever you need for this event. And the visibility is going to be for this person. I'm going to show you that later too. The task is almost the same, but this is going to be shorter. So you just have to add the description, and that's it. A reminder. So this is going to, I don't know, if I create this for June 12th, this is going to have a reminder on June 11th, so you don't have to forget this, okay? That's basically what you must do. Okay, I'm going to discard this event. Here in the left menu, you can filter the events and tasks that this calendar is showing you. So I don't want to see the birthdays, I don't want to see the task, I just want to see the reminders. I don't know, it's just an example. Or I just want to see the birthdays. Whatever you want, you can filter these options. And the calendars, this is why what I was talking to you. Perhaps I have two businesses. So in the same account, I can control the calendar of those two different businesses. So I can, in other calendars, I can click on plus, and I'm going to create a new calendar. Because in this business, I have the reminders and tasks and even birthdays of all the people in my business. I don't know, peanut butter business. But if I have a different business and a travel agency, so I'm going to create a new calendar, and there I'm going to have all the birthdays, tasks, reminders, and events for that business in specific. So I'm going to create this calendar. The calendar creation is in progress, and that's it. Now I have the travel agency. So if I go back, I have this option too. Okay, that's what you can do. So this is gonna be showed in a different color. If you try to create an event, you can do it directly here if you want. So you could select this, and this is gonna be showed in a different color. That's it. That's what you can do. I'm going to discard this again. And now I'm going to show you the final settings. So here in settings, we have the language, the country, the holidays that are going to be shown in your calendar are going to be specified depending on your country. So if I select a different country, the holidays are going to be changed. Okay, that's basically what happens. I could select also the event settings. So by default, I know that all my events at least are around 2 hours. So I could change these too, or are around 45 minutes. It depends on your business or life, obviously. The default guest permission, so invite others. See, so if I want to invite other people and I don't want to share these options, so by default is just invite and no more. What else? Here it is. Automatically add Google Meet video conferences. So if I just create these events and tasks to do in person, so I don't want to add any Google Meet video conference. And so more options that you could check and see if you want to change. Perhaps this is gonna be useful to you. like the week numbers or whatever do you need. And that's it. This is a powerful tool specifically because it is combined with all the tools that you have here in Google. So this could be really helpful if you know how to use it. So these are the basics, and I guess all what that you can do here in Google Calendar. And that's it. That's how you can use Google Calendar.